Angela, what is the code to unlock your phone? Tell me right now. I'm holding your phone in my hands and I need you to give me the code to unlock it now.
What type of plane is this?
What is the meaning of all this? When did all this start? Don't you understand and respect boundaries? Do you know what privacy is? Why do you want to know the code to unlock my phone? What's the meaning of that?
I have a right to know the code that unlocks your phone. Yes, I'm your boyfriend of 2 years and I have a right to know it. Tell me now, or else you will not like the consequences of your stubbornness.
You be mumu.
Where is all this coming from? Did you hear anything? Do you have any reason to suspect me? I've been faithful with you. You have been the one misbehaving in this relationship, dating different girls, and I've never asked you to give me the code to unlock your phone. So why are you suspecting me? Did you hear anything? What's the problem?
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
I will not fall for that your cheap blackmail. I've been the one misbehaving. I've been the one cheating. Open your phone. Tell me the code to open your phone. Nonsense.
Okay, if you insist, it's my birth date. My birth date.
Well, come to think of it, trust is the foundation of any good and long-lasting relationship. So, no need. You can have your phone back. No need for me to check it again.
You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Victor, you will check my phone. Victor Isibo, you will check my phone. Check it. It's my birth date. Type my birth date in and check my phone now. Check the phone now. Check the damn phone. Check the phone. You idiot. Womanizer. How will you know my birth date when you have more than 10 girlfriends celebrating birthday parties for different girls every week? Shameless idiot. It's my birth date. Check it. Check it, Victor. Check it.
Oh, no.